Hi everybody, here is a video about how to make and record a video in Zoom. So we'll see how we go. First of all, go down to your Zoom app, which should be located on the bar at the bottom of your screen. It's the blue one with the white camera. It's going to bring up your control panels. That gives you a bit of an option here. My first thing I'm going to do before I even start is one really important thing. Find your settings wherever it might be. Mine looks like that. And you go into recording. So at the top here, it's going to show you the place where your recording is going to save to onto your computer. And this is important because you want to be able to find it. So you click on here and choose a new location. Now, I find that desktop is really good because I can usually find my desktop. So I'm going to select that and it's come up here. I'm happy with that. So I don't need to save that or anything. It just saves. And I'll X out of that. Right, here I am back at my Zoom console, center console thing. I want to click new meeting. So I'm setting up a meeting for myself only. No one else will be there. I can tell straight away that I'm not muted. My mic is working. I can see the green, but my video is not working. So make sure that both of those are unchecked. You can see yourself and hear yourself. Let's see. Down the bottom, I'm just going to go full screen. This is where you can record. So down the bottom, it gives you a whole bunch of options. A really quick one is if you want to share your screen during your video, these are your options. So I could share my screen with this button. I press share. I can make a little whiteboard and press share. Those are some quite cool options. But before I do that, I actually want to record. So currently, I'm just talking to myself. Record on this computer is the option you want. I'm going to press it. Top left of your screen, it will show that you are recording. It just starts, so you've got to be prepared. I'm recording my video now. Hi everybody, read my story, my maths, my reading. When my video is finished, I press stop. It says here it needs to convert to MP3. That's fine. Now, for us to get the video that we just made, we have to end the meeting. And it's worried that that the meeting is going to close, but that's okay. I do want to end the meeting for all. And this box just says it's just converting it so that it's making a little video. So you just let it do its thing. The longer your video is, the longer it will take, so just let it do its thing. Then it kind of pops up. So here is my video I've just made. Now I'm going to click twice on it, once. Oh no, that didn't work. Once and twice. And I'm going to rename it straight away. I'm going to call it 2nd of April because that's when I made it. How to make a video. So I can find it again. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I know that it's in my desktop. I'll just check that. I've made a couple of videos, so I need to make sure I've got the one I want. And it does come with a date and time stamp. So just check that it's the right one. For me, it's that one there. Okay, so I know my video is there. I want to go into my Google Drive. Go in here. And I'm going to pop it into my online learning folder. Oh, it's a fancy circle. I know that it's in the staff shared 2020. That's what I'm going to search for. I click on that with my red circle. And I'm going to look for online learning. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. And of course, we've all got a folder. And here I am. It's coming. It's a bit slow. Right. Not much in there, Olivia. Okay. I'm going to add, so I'm going to put new, and I want to go file upload because this is my file, my video that I'm going to upload. I'm going to check it's the right one. So I click my desktop and then it gives me these three options. I don't know which one it is. I'll just hover my mouse until I find, I think it was 1552. 2nd of April, that was definitely it. So I click on my video, it's MP4 format, that's cool. Open. Okay. It is now currently just popping that in there. Yeah, it's shown up. And when I click on it, it might not open because it has to download. Let's just see. It's definitely in there anyway, that's all you have to do. I'm just having a quick preview, and here I come. I'm going to press it. Okay.
Top left of your screen.
Shush. Okay. Well done. Bye.